Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Tuning in. So I haven't done anything since 2023. I'm doing the P tag, which is a HTML representation of a paragraph tag. It's surrounded by words that make up a paragraph, and it's an open and closing tag. I did some styling. If you could look at the video, you see some styling. Say P info type 1 is selecting the first paragraph. Yes, you could use CSS to style the p tag, and also you could use JavaScript to control it. The p tag by default the browser will show the p tag on new lines with some space between it and any subsequent paragraph. So the p tag is a black element, and um it also have inline text. So thank you. It also have inline text. You can also put inline element in it. Okay, that's all about the p tag. Thank you for subscribe. If you like the video, subscribe and leave a leave a comment, and follow me on Instagram, Tyrone.webdev. Thank you. This is my first time back, so um I will be doing I'll be doing more videos on JavaScript and CSS and more HTML. Thank you for tuning in.